up, YouTube? As you can tell by the title of the video, I got a BOGO. I hate to say it was an easy cop, but it was an easy cop because I accomplished. It's hard to tell if it's an easy or hard purchase if you got it. But I got it. Manual cop. People bitching, thinking the bots got it. I don't know. I haven't had any success past few weeks, probably the whole season. I don't remember. Because of my autofill. You know what? This release, decided to do no autofill. Got what I needed. I noticed the drop happened like 7 seconds before 11. You know what? You know what drives me crazy, man? I'm watching you guys' live cops on YouTube, and you guys like refresh the page at like 10:59, and then you refresh and refresh and refresh, right? And as it gets closer to 11, you guys slow down with the refreshing. Like, okay, refresh. And then 11 o'clock hits, and then you decide to refresh. You fucked up right there, you know? And, you know, someone else I saw, he wasn't even in the sweatshirt category. Come on, man, get it together. You know, it's pissing me off, you know? The European, you know, release, I'm looking at you guys, live cops, and you guys are like taking a slow, sweet time clicking around. I don't know how you cart anything, but you do. I don't get it. But for me, what I did was practice my keystrokes. Got it. So, wanna see? Take this dumb shit off. So, hopefully I got the focus straight. All right, so came in the mail today. Ooh. We're gonna change them. Okay. It's kind of rough. Doesn't feel like the hoodie from last year. You know, it's more soft. This is like, it's rough. It's like Carhartt. It's like Carhartt. But yeah, BOGOs every year, baby. Let's try it on. All right, as you can tell, I went with a fitted look. I'm actually really happy with this. Outerwear, I usually go for large. T-shirts and stuff, I go for medium. So I figured I'd go for medium. I don't know. I want to show a little bit of my white shirts underneath. I don't know about up here. I don't really like this. But yeah, and you know, if I got large, I would have had some weird baggy shit going on. You know, I'm actually really happy with this. So I hope you guys touched. I'm happy. I'm blessed. You know, another success. Hopefully next year is the same, and hopefully I have more subscribers. You know, more comments, more likes, more views. So you know, there's more to come. So stick with me.